Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. So it's a really wonderful day today. I think other than one trade, most of it is a win. So first thing is WHLM, which was today's clear leading gapper, and quite an insane move. I was skeptical initially because of all this stopping candle, thinking this might be the personality. So in the open it halted out. I did not touch it yet, and seems it's holding this level above the hot level. So added on this pullback, sold some here, sold some here. Then basically I think cause I was seeing the bid and ask, and this seems like a good place to sell off. I don't want to be caught on the way down, which thankfully, I mean not thankfully, but yeah, expectedly it went down. So I considered a little bit, and for no reason, I think this is what I heard. Some insider bought like 400k shares at $10. So of of a sudden, there's volume at halted up again. But this is one thing, and this is the 5-minute candle. So in a way, there's this ascending triangle, and this area that was a trend line here. So this area it broke off this descending trend, which is why in a way it moved up this way. But I believe a part of it is also because of the news of the insider that bought at $10. So the phenomenon is 400k shares at $10, hence the price went up. So yeah, after that I did not touch it at all. Like basically knowing this area, back then I didn't know the news, so as it was breaking, and as it was crossing this area, in a way I was just want to play it safe. I don't want to give back my losses, so I missed this whole pie, but it's okay. You can't be in every move, and some move will just go without you. Back then I didn't want to chase, but did not know you hold this wrong. So second is FLGC. Same thing is a slow grinder. It slowly grind up. Definitely will be in my watch list for tomorrow too, and WHLM for any continual play. So it was at this same thing. There's a bottom trend line up. So added here. This is the 5-minute. So I added here and just sold off here. And the second candle, I see that the volume didn't come in, as you can see. So afraid that it might be just a pump and then not really paid, but the price will go down. So I got out here and it really went down. So in a way I chased here, same thing, got out here, just a few small trades, wanted to play it safe. My main goal today is to make it green and also recoup that tiny $80 loss yesterday. So I leave a small portion of it to run, and when it was here, I think I got greedy. I see it cross the $10.50 psychological level. I continued to let it run, but however, kind of faked me out. I mean, shake off all the weak hands. So I got stop out here, but it's okay since these are the leftover. I got most of the moves here. So yeah, there's FLGC. That is LIXT. So yeah, I started with a loss. It's really bad. I thought this would be a pullback and break the previous high. So got stop out here. Then second time is coming out the VWAP. I bought on this pullback, sold off, and leave the rest to play. So my goal was to sell whatever price is above 4, and I got a 410 fill. So whoever bought here is just unfortunate. Then double top at this is their new high, I believe. Yeah, today's high. So that's all. And ACY is a beast. I mean, I remember back in March 19. Yeah, as you can see, when back then I was testing out this brokerage. So I did some trading with this broker here. However, the comms is pretty huge, so most of my trades are still on IBKR. But back then I did try out this platform to see if I like it. So I only traded pretty small. I think it was like 10-20 shares back then. Yeah. So back then the price was like 1580 was the high. Yeah. So the initial of that is like $300. I really started really small back then. So it's been a long way. And for those that are still using Momo as a brokerage, I would really recommend Interactive Broker. The comms are like significantly cheaper, like 65% cheaper. So okay, so for ACY, added here. In a way, back then I thought it feels like a purchase, but how do I put it? Yeah, I've been watching it for a couple of days, and this seems like a nice reversal. So added here, seeing there's volume, as you can see, it was some volume here. Then I basically leave it to run. So let's get out half here at 1650. Hindsight might be a low sell, as you can see it's in the 18s now, 17s. One thing is the spread issue. As you can see, it's almost $1 spread. So sort of half here. Wanted to leave the rest for overnight, but I got greedy. I sold off here at 17. Yeah. So and then it went up to 18, but this is the spread, so it could be pretty hard to do anything. So what I was thinking is that I'll just sell it off so I don't have to worry about this, since I don't really like swings that much. Last but not least is HJLI. There was a new set. This is timing 8:10. Yeah, there's this FDA grant. I wrote it here. FDA grant breakthrough device. So this an ERYP ran the almost identical news last week. So 806 I saw the news, and as you can see, it was 806 I think. Yeah, 806 it started running. Added here, sold off some, and leave the rest to run. So it seems like the high was 935, so I got out here or near the view up. So couldn't hold the view up and it basically went down. So yeah, and this area seems like an ascending triangle, but it broke the bottom side, so did not touch it off, but I still leave it here so I can explain to you guys. HPI was something I was hopeful, as you can see. I was hoping for it to clear this level, maybe clear 11 confidently, and there will be room to 13. Yeah, maybe 13, 14. So that was what I was hoping, but looking downside, so probably won't touch it today. We'll be still watching it tomorrow. And last is HOD. Really amazing, as you can see. I only traded it back then when it was here. I got it in 33 and sold off 35, 6, I forgot. But now it's like 45. So yeah, it seems like 45 is the first side level, and let's see if it will be any continual play tomorrow. As you can see today, it's really nice. Like got slowly a ladder, a wedge, ABCD, whatever you want to call it, on 5 minutes. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it was an 18% grind. So I think today, other than LIXT and the open, yeah, other than this loss and the AC, not the AC. Oh yeah, other than FLGC selling lower here, and also LIXT at the open, most of it is a win. It's a tiny $680 win. So I was now at $80 yesterday. Today was around 680 before commission. So puts me at a decent start for the month. So yeah, really great trading day today. Has been pretty cold for the past week, I believe. And first day of the month was kind of disappointing. So as of the month now, I'm up at 600 before commission. Probably will be around 540 or something after comps, hopefully. So yeah, I can edit here, and once again for that few 5, 10, 15, 20 viewers that are watching, I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you stayed until this area, hopefully you can learn something from it. So do drop in the comments if you have any questions regarding anything, or like why did I buy a certain thing. I always wanted to share with you guys why did I buy all this, but when I was doing the recap, I always forgot about it. So I think I explained about this. Yeah, it's pretty hard because all these, like, I just buy them how I feel it and why I scale up. It's hard for me to reenact it. But if, let's say you guys, and okay, I'm not really good through talking, I guess. If you ask me any question, maybe I can explain more thoroughly through the comment section. That will give me some time to gather my thoughts and type out in a way that's easier for you guys to understand. So yeah, that's it for today's daily recap. Really nice trading day today. So puts me up green for the month. Hopefully this can continue, and definitely hope you guys have an even better trading day than me. So yeah, that's all for today. Remember guys, do not overstay your welcome. This is why when this last trade I got out, I want to take my mind off trading and not overstay my welcome. Of course, at this point of time, that might be ticker still going, but get a trading journal to know what's your best trading timing. For me, usually after 11, I rarely will get any good profits. My prime time is probably around 8 to 10. And unless it's an interesting day, like AC at March, which ran until 1 to 2, that was the only one that I traded past 12 and it actually benefited me. So most of the time I'll stop at around 10 unless it's like today, really happening things going on. So yeah, and I'm just end it here. So remember guys, stay safe, trade safe, peace.